is Erin, and I'm from FSH101. Today I'll be showing you how to put car seats into your car. These are one-piecers from FANMATS, and you can find us at FSH101 online on our eBay store or on our website. This, once you put it on, you see these, and you're going to slip them in here. They're going to come out the other way, and then you can go ahead and keep putting this on here. Just do that. And these are going to be hanging on the side like that. Leave them right there, and the other one will be on that side too, and I already put that one back there. So this car, every car is different, but the back of this car came with these things that they came with the car, but you would hook that right there. But when you push that up and you see underneath where we tucked that part into that crevice part, that's where it's going to come out of. And you see how, let's see, you see how it hooks right there from the other, that part of the seat. See if I can get it. See, you're going to hook it like that with those pieces. And then you go ahead and put this back and you hook that